Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at the reactions that take place at an anode. Now remember, at the anode we have got anions that are going to react here. Anions are negatively charged, and when they get there, what they're going to do, those anions, is going to lose electrons during that electrolysis process. Before we give you some examples, let's just remind ourselves a couple of things. Oxidation is loss of electrons, reduction is gain of electrons. So as we go through these examples, we're going to identify the reactions, either oxidation or reduction. So the first one I've got for you here, for the anions, is going to be a chloride anion. Okay, so the chloride ion gets to the anode, it is going to form chlorine, so it's going to lose this negative charge. So there's the negative charge being released, there's the electron being released. Remember, chlorine is diatomic, so it's Cl2, therefore I need two lots of chloride ions and it's going to release 2 electrons. This reaction here, so here's my negative ion, it's now losing that electron, so this is oxidation, using the oil rig method of helping us to remember that. Let's give you another example. O2 minus, this is an oxide ion. So what this is going to do here is it's going to form oxygen, O. It does that by losing these 2 electrons, so it's going to release those 2 electrons. Now you know that oxygen goes round in twos, so to help me to do this, I'm going to write 2 of these down, because then these can combine to give me O2. How many electrons? There are 4 electrons in total, and there are 2 ions needed in order to make that work. So that equation there is the overall reaction for the oxidation of an oxide ion during electrolysis, and still losing electrons, as we've said, oxidation. The final one is an example, hydroxide ions. I'm not going to go through the explanation of this one here. One of the other videos does it for you. But hydroxide ion, it forms water and oxygen, and it releases 4 electrons because you need 4 of those. 2 lots of water is made, so we get oxygen forming here. And again, that is an oxidation reaction taking place.